And this is one of the reasons I'm so grateful I found Kaatsu. I was at a low point. I was very sick with Meniere's, which is a disorder of the inner middle ear where you develop vertigo and tinnitus and hearing loss. And I was so dizzy and I was in bed, unable to really get around and do what I normally did. And when you're in a spot like that, many of us, pick up our devices and we'll start scrolling and watching YouTubes. And I chanced upon a YouTube with Dr. Mercola. We all know Joe Mercola. He's a monster.
Yeah.
And he was raving about this thing called Kaatsu. And before he even finished the video, I was on the phone ordering my Kaatsu device. I was convinced that this would be great. And sure enough, I got my device and started using it. And what I found was that within, I would say, 2 weeks, I was really back on my feet, doing much better, becoming more active, getting back to my exercise routine and enjoying life.